This is an incredible method of converting any image file containing text into Microsoft Word format. Once you have the Word file, you can do all types of editing. First, we run the Word application. Open a blank page. Then insert an image, may be taken from your cell phone or any other device. I have already taken a text image from my cell phone. Now I am inserting an image. This is a JPEG file. Naturally, I cannot do any editing with it. Now go to the file and save it as PDF file. I am naming it as JPEG to PDF. Once it is saved, now open it in Word. You will see a message saying, Word will now convert your PDF to an editable Word document. Click OK. You will get Word editable document. Now you can make changes as you desire. If you like this video, please share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.